Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens, and this is episode 86 of Gardening Without Edits. I'm going to show you something pretty quick here, something I noticed. I noticed it, I would say, probably around August. I was keeping a close eye on it, but it's definitely an issue. Very easy to correct, but I'm going to show you right now. Flip the camera around. This is my donut peach, the prettiest fruit tree I have, or in my opinion, one of the prettiest fruit trees you could have. The flowers are amazing. So I noticed, luckily there's nowhere else that it is. I'm looking around right now. I noticed this about a few months ago. You see all that? And you see how the branch, let me show you with my finger. You see how the color of the branch is nice and, what is that, golden reddish? And then it goes black. There's definitely something in this branch that is munching away. Or it could be a canker. Either or. So I'm going to cut it back as far, you see I'm still seeing sap. I'm going to cut it back right over here. Do not compost anything like this. This goes straight in the green bin. Okay, it's quick correction. Very easy. Let me zoom out. Very easy. So let me see another angle. One moment. You can see right there. That's what I noticed last year. So it got worse. And you can see the dead right here. It's hard to point. Dead, alive. So something's going on here, easy to correct. Cut it back over here and you're done. As opposed to how many flowers? I don't know, I'm gonna lose maybe 40 flowers. I think I have a lot more to choose from. Happy gardening, everybody. Bye.